Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to analyze the market and how to predict the next candlestick. So I always mention how to analyze the market because that is one thing you need to do. You need to know as a binary trader. So if you know how to analyze the market, trading will become easy for you. So let's dive in. This is Euro USD. The trend is down, okay, and we have some minor downtrend here, and again we have some reversals at this point. So definitely I will go with sellers. I think the candle should close below my entry, so I go with sellers because we can see the market is down, right? Then we have some previous sellers movement, which is right here. That is, the sellers are still more powerful. So where the buyers entered from this level. This is just a reversal level, a reversal is zone, this which we expect the market to make some U-turn, and this candle close at that same area, so we expect sellers entry. That is why I go with sellers here on the next candle. So here, what do you see? The market is not trendy, but it's moving in a sideways. So, but currently we can see bearish movement, and buyers entered from this level. This candle got rejection from buyers, but still far from the buyers area. So definitely sellers will enter again to fill the gap. Let me explain to you. The market is moving in sideways, but now I'm seeing sellers movement. This is where buyers entered. Same thing here, we see some rejection and buyers entry. Again we see rejection. So what are we expecting? This candle close far from buyers area. We are still expecting sellers to enter because the trend is still in a downtrend. Okay, here the trend is moving up, and currently now the market is still going up. So we have some sellers at this area. We have some sellers at this area, and we have some buyers at this area. Buyers enter from this level, so meaning the market will go up more up from this level. I'm going to place call option. Okay, let me explain this. This is very complicated. We have some sellers at this area, right? We have some buyers at this area, right? But this candle is supposed to reach this level before we expect buyers entry, but it seems the buyers entered immediately here. So when buyers entered here, we are still expecting buyers again to continue, because this is now the time the buyers is not going to respect this minor resistance. So that is why I go with buyers here. We can see bullish movement than the downtrend, and we have some buyers at this area, and we have some sellers at this area as well, and a reversal. This is more likely to be complicated for me, so let me check out and know what is going on. Okay, so I will go with sellers here, because we can see we have reversal at this area. We have some buyers entry. We have buyers level here as well too. So we know the buyers enter from this level, and we have some reversal area, and also we know the sellers entered from the same level here. So definitely we are expecting sellers to enter. It already crossed this A line, but I'm expecting one bearish candle. One bearish candle because of this trend line. Okay, it seems there's no bearish candle, so buyers will keep going up. I'm going to place call option. So I place call option here because when I expect the market to reverse here, it did not reverse. It only makes some retracement, small retracement, and form a green candle. So this is a sign that the buyers are very more active than the sellers. already we can see the market movement here. So we expect buyer's entry again on the next candle. That is why we go with buyers. Okay, we have some buyers here, then we have some sellers here as well as reversal area. So I think the market is going to reverse. Though the market is going to reverse here. So I go with sellers here because we have some buyers here, we have some sellers here, we have some reversal here, and this candle close at the reversal area with a rejections, and we can see on the left side we also see some lower highs and lower low structure. So in this case we are expecting sellers to enter on the next candle. So that is why I place put option. One last trade, then I will stop trading. Actually I want to take 5 trades, so you see it quickly got rejection from this level. This is downtrend. We have so many reversal here why buyers enter from this level, and this is a Marubozu candle, a reversal candlestick as well. So I go with sellers here because we have so many reversals at this level. This is also a Marubozu candle, a exhausted candle, while we have some buyers at this area. So exhausted candle, that is a sign of reversal, right? The trend also is downtrend. So we are expecting some sellers entry here as well. That is why I place put option. And this will be my last trade. I had one loss because the sellers are not interested, and this is exactly what I want. I expect sellers to enter and retest this trend line, but it happened again the next movement. So it is better for me to stop now. So first trade was because this is reversal area. When market approach a reversal area, that means it's expected to reverse. Not all the time, most of the time it should be reversed. Okay, so this is reversal area. Even though you go on the left side, you will see so many reversal at this line. So this candle close at the reversal area, and where the buyers entered from this level, right? Buyers entered from this level. That is why we see this bullish candle. So this is a reversal area, and the trend also is down. We can see the trend is down. That is why I go with sellers. Same thing here, minor trend is down, though the market is moving a sideways, but minor trend is down. This is buyers area because candle got rejection and very close to the level it will buyers entered. Same thing here, buyers entered, but here it got rejection and is very far away from this level. That is sellers will enter again on the next candle because of this minor downtrend. This is bullish movement. Buyers are here, sellers are here, right? But this candle got rejection in the middle of the trend and reverse. That is a sign the buyers want to go more up. So definitely they are not going to respect this minor resistance. That is why I go with buyers on the next candle. I lost to this trade because I expect sellers to enter, but sellers fail, and that is why I go with buyers on the next candle, because when sellers fail here to enter the market, so that is a sign the buyers is going to enter on the next candle. So I go with sellers here because this is a reversal area. Buyers are here, buyers enter the market here. So this candle close at the reversal area, minor bearish movement, so we expect sellers entry. That is why I go with sellers. Same thing here, reversal, and this is a exhausted candle, reversal candlestick as well. The trend also is down. That is why I go with sellers on the next candle. So I took 7 trade, 1 OTM. Okay, so if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.